everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhi Sahni. Hope you are doing great. Now I come forward with the schedule of NEET PG 2022 counselling. So without wasting time, let's start with the video. But before that, if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming videos. Now back to the topic. If we see the schedule of NEET PG 2022 counselling, so the first round of counselling, that is the All India Quota counselling, will begin from 15 September and that is the registration period from 15 September of this year till 23rd September 2022. The registration part is open, followed by the choice filling start from 20th September 2022 and choice locking from the 25th September 2022. After that, the verification of the internal candidates with their respective institutions or the university will take place on the 23rd and 24th September of this year. Then the seat process will be allotted. That means the processing of the seat allotment will take place on 26th and 27th September of this year, followed by the result of first round of All India counselling in case of the NEET PG 2022 will be declared on 28th September of this year, and you have just our tentative short days from 29 September 2022 till 4th of October 2022. Till this period, you have to join the institutions, whichever institution or the university or the college has been allotted to you. Question comes from your side, like how you will join the college. Regarding the joining or the admission, that you have to do from 29th of September till 4th October 2022. Regarding this, you need to go and take the admission in the respective college in which your seat is allotted, right? You have to take all the original documents plus first year fees along with you, because when you reach there only your verification of your documents will take place there only. Right? In the joining in the college, you only have the 6 days in your hand. Followed by, we come on to the second round of counselling in case of the All India Quota counselling, that too in the NEET PG 2022. That will begin from the registration will start for the round 2, that is from the 10 October to 14 October of this year, followed by the choice filling start from 11 October and the choice locking will take place. Means this whole procedure of choice filling and locking will take place from 11 October to 14 October of this year. That means within 4 days. Followed by the next 3 days, there will be the verification of the documents for the candidate with their respective institutions or the university, and that will occur from the 14th October to 16th October 2022. Then there will be the same step, that is the processing of the seat allotment, that will take place within 2 days, and that too in the 17th and 18th October of this year. And the result of round 2 counselling in case of All India Quota counselling will take place 19th October 2022, and you need to join the respective institutions or the colleges or the days, that is from the 20th October to 26th October of this year. Candidates who need to upgrade their seats or they left the seat in the round 1 and they need the upgradation of the seat, they can do the round 2 counselling, but they do not need to register themselves again for the round 2, right? Simple fact is that if you have done your registration in round 1, then there is no need to register for the round 2 again. You can freely sit in the round 2 counselling if you didn't get the seat or if you want the upgradation of your seat, then only. Then who will register in the round 2 counselling of All India Quota counselling of NEET PG 2022? Those candidates who have not registered in round 1 counselling can do the fresh registration or in the round 2 counselling of All India Quota counselling of NEET PG 2022. Thing, if you have registered in the round 1 counseling of All India Quota Counseling, in case of the NEET PG 2022, you don't need to register again and again for the round 2 or for the round 3, right? If your registration is already done in round 1. So this is the one very important point. There is the confusion between these students or the candidates who appear in the NEET PG 2022 counseling, that on one side we see the All India Quota counseling is going on, and on the other hand the separate state counseling has begun, so in which they need to apply, right? So this is the main confusion. So first of all, you need to know the scenario of the counseling, that how MCC counseling or the All India Quota counseling get related with the state quota counseling. Very simple thing. First, MCC round 1 counseling, or we can say the All India Quota counseling round 1 will take place. After that, the state counseling round 1 will take place. Then again, MCC round 2 counseling will take place, followed by state round 2 counseling will take place. Then third, MCC mop-up round counseling will take place, followed by the state mop-up round counseling will take place. Vacancy round is the one that is for all the colleges, and that is for all the level. That means the last and the together round, that is the stray vacancy round. So in this manner, you need to go through the NEET PG 2022 counseling. I hope this is the big query of the day and of this video. That's why I just hold on and just add this in this video, so as you can understand it very well. Along with that, you can see the flow chart also regarding the way I am telling you the steps and the scenario in case of the schedule of the NEET PG 2022 counseling. Let's come up to the time and date of the mop-up round, that is the third round of MCC counseling. For that, the registration began from 31st October till 4th November of this year. Choice filling and locking will take place from 1st November to 5th November of this year only. Then the verification of the internal candidates by the institution or the university take place in 4th to 6th November of this year only. Processing of the seat allotment take place within next 2 days, that is on the 7th and 8th November 2022, and the result of mop-up round will be come on the 9th November 2022. And your reporting time is again only and only within 5 days you need to report to their respective college or institutions or the universities. That is from the 10th November 2022 till 14th November 2022. The last round, that is the stray vacancy round. See, stray vacancy round goes for all. Like सारे colleges के सभी level पे stray vacancy round एक साथ किया जाता है, सभी का एक साथ होता है, right? The stray vacancy round, there is no new registration will take place. Payment option is only online for the stray vacancy round. No fresh choice filling will be there or conducted in case of a stray vacancy round. This exercised by the candidate in the mop-up round will be considered for the allotment of the seat for the stray vacancy round. So whatever the choice filling you have registered in the mop-up round, only that will be considered in the stray vacancy round. You need to know this thing, very important point, because you are unable to make the choice filling in case of the stray vacancy round in NEET PG 2022 counseling. Followed by the allotment of the seat is online by running through the software, and the eligible candidates who are not holding any seats or in any particular college or institution can apply online in the stray vacancy round. So the processing of the seat allotment will take place in case of the stray vacancy round, that is 15th and 16th November of this year only, followed by the result of the stray vacancy round will come on the 17th November 2022, and your reporting time is from the 18th November to 21st November of this year only. So that's all about the complete schedule and the related queries and the questions of the NEET PG 2022 counseling. Hope you like this video, then hit the like button. Still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, and all the very best for your counseling.